So now we're going to tackle about Goodbye to Leonor. So who is Leonor? Leonor Rivera Keeping, born in Camiling, Tarlac on April 11, 1867. Daughter of Antonio Rivera and Silvestra Bauzon. So nag-study siya sa La Concordia College. So asawa siya ni Henry Charles Keeping. Then gikasal sila pag June 17, 1890 in Dagupan. And iya anak is si Carlos Rivera Keeping Sr.
Rizal and Leonor relationship. Leonor Rivera and Rizal first meet in Manila when Rivera was only 14 years old. When Rizal left for Europe on May 3, 1882, Rivera was 15 years of age. Their ensuing correspondence began when Rizal left a poem for Rivera saying farewell, and their letters to each other slowly became romantic in nature. The correspondence between Rivera and Rizal kept Rizal focused on his studies in Europe. They employed codes in their letters because Rizal's mother did not favor Rizal as his suitor for her daughter. A letter from Mariano Katibak, dated June 27, 1884, referred Rivera as Rizal's betrothed. Katibak described Rivera as having been greatly affected by Rizal's departure, frequently sick because of insomnia. Leonor Rivera, a daughter of Antonio Rivera, Rizal's uncle. Leonor Rivera and Jose Rizal, they are cousins. It happened Rizal and Rivera have a strong distance relationship through sending and receiving letters without personally seeing with each other. Leonor Rivera served as a support and motivation in his studies. The letter of Leonor Rivera. The mother of Leonor Rivera is not favor of Rizal for his daughter because Rizal was a filibuster. Betrothed means engaged to be married. Katibak described Rivera's condition to Rizal as Rizal's betrothed who became thin and preoccupied. By the way, in his letter, Rizal called Leonor Miss to hide her identity.
When Rizal returned to the Philippines on August 15, 1887, Leonor Rivera was no longer living in the Intramuros because she and her family had moved back to the Dagupan, Pangasinan. Rizal wanted to meet Rivera and vice versa, but both were prohibited by their respective father ni Rizal ni si Francisco Mercado, barred his son from the meeting her in order to avoid putting the Rivera's family in danger. So, as Rizal had by then been labeled on filibustero, subversive by Spanish colonial. So a Spanish colonial government, due to his controversial novel No Limitang Harry, this level made him a political target, meaning any association with him could be dangerous for others. So walay makaduol ka Rizal kay maintra man sa pagkakuan ay maintra sa iyahang pagkakuan bitaw kanang makuan siya sa mga Spanish na ma-appeal sa pagka-danger sa buhay ni Rizal. So mautong wala gipaduol ni Rizal ay sa papa ni Rizal, si Rizal kay para ang family ni Rivera dili makuan dili maapil sa pagkakuan ni Rizal sa iyang kinabuhi kanang delikado ba.
In 1888, Rizal stopped receiving letters from Rivera for a year, even as he kept sending letters to her. The reason for Rivera's silence was the connivance between Rivera's mother and an Englishman named Henry Charles Keeping. A railway engineer fell in love with Rivera and was favored by Rivera's mother. So, in 1888 kanang sana 1 year nga murag kanang sa katahimikan kanang murag naghilam ra siya ba kuan sa tungkol kanang parte sa iyang minamahal nga si Leonora Rivera kanang pero padayon gyapon siyang nagsigig padag suwat niya ni Rivera nga kanang naghilom siya tungod sa katong kanang pahilom nga relasyon ni Leonora og ni Charles Henry. Kanang ang relasyon ni Leonora og ni Henry kay kanang gikuanan na sa bitaw sa iyang mama kanang sana marag ni uyon ra sa iyang mama ba sa kuan ni Leonora. Dayon. Nya kuan kanang marag tungod ato kay si Rizal kay marag kanang kuan na siya nakaapekto sa iyang emosyonal unya kanang marag na-pressure siya sa kanang na-pressure siya sa kanang sa pagkuan sa kanang iyang propaganda movement ug sa politika ng Pilipinas. Nya si Leonora di ay kay mahalaga sa kuan ni Rizal kanang di lang bitaw sa pang romantikong aspito kundi sa kanang kuan sad murag inspirasyon niya sa kanang sa iyang mga gipang swat ba or kanang murag nagbibigay inspirasyon sa karakter kanang murag na kuan ni Maria Clara sa katong sa No Limit ang.
And so, it has arrived, the fatal instant, the dismissal injunction of my cruel fate. So it has come at last, the moment, the date, when I must separate myself from you. Goodbye, Leonor, goodbye. I take my leave, leaving behind with you my lover's heart. Goodbye, Leonor. From here, I now depart. O melancholy absence. Ah, what a pain. The literary piece gives an insight into the romantic relationship of Rizal and his beloved Leonor Rivera. The two met when in the province of Dagupan when Rivera was only 13 years old. Rivera's parents were not in favor of their relationship, and though distance separated from them, the two kept in touch by sending letters and photographs to each other. Rizal later found out that her lady love would soon tie the knot with Henry Keeping, and the news definitely disheartened him. The lonely, heartbreaking feelings he felt resulted in this melancholic poem.